Welcome to the future of innovation. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S24 series, where cutting-edge technology meets unparalleled performance. Behold the Galaxy S24 Ultra, S24, and S24 Plus, a trio of smartphones that redefine excellence. Crafted with Corning Gorilla armor, these devices are as durable as they are stunning. Immerse yourself in the power of Galaxy AI NPU. Experience a seamless blend of intelligence and efficiency as your device adapts to your needs in real time. Elevate your gaming experience with gaming on Galaxy S24. Feel the thrill of high-performance gaming right at your fingertips, with graphics that redefine the standards. Break language barriers with live language translation. Communicate effortlessly and connect with people from around the globe like never before. Witness the magic of Samsung Magic Compose. Effortlessly create and express yourself with the intuitive magic at your fingertips. Meet Gemini AI, your intelligent companion. Understands you better, anticipates your needs, and seamlessly integrates into your daily life. Experience the future of typing with the Samsung keyboard. Smart, intuitive, and designed for efficiency, typing has never been this easy. Stay connected on the go with Android Auto. Your Galaxy S24 seamlessly integrates with your car, providing a connected driving experience. Circle to search, revolutionizing how you discover information. Effortlessly find what you need with a simple circle motion. Introducing the Galaxy S24 Ultra Pro Visual Engine Camera. Redefine photography with unparalleled clarity, precision, and innovation. Delve into the Galaxy S24 specs, price, and availability, the details you've been waiting for. Elevate your tech experience with the perfect combination of features and affordability. Prioritize your well-being with Samsung Health, your all-in-one health and wellness companion, ensuring you live your best life. The future is now, encapsulated in the Galaxy Ring. Join us as we embark on a journey of innovation, connectivity, and endless possibilities with the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Samsung Galaxy S24 series, redefining tomorrow, today.